Hello everyone, this is Inluxsolar's solar speed sign, and maybe you are familiar with the speed sign, but today we will introduce a new type. This is solar powered. We can see it is connected with a solar panel, the battery and the controller inside, and with a big speed sign. So today, maybe many people will still worry about its sensitivity and also to check whether it's reliable compared with the normal AC powered speed sign. So today we will do the tests to check and to confirm, to show whether it is. So today we'll do the tests by different car speed to check. Today I will work as the driver to test the sensitivity of the solar speed sign, and later I will drive the car by 40 kilometers per hour, 50 kilometers per hour, 60 kilometers per hour, 70 kilometers per hour, and 80 kilometers per hour. Okay, let's start. Okay, now we'll do the test by the car speed, 40 kilometers per hour. Okay, let's go. Już. If you are looking for a car speed limit sign which is not powered by AC, Inluxsolar's solar speed sign will be your best option.